The immunization campaign, dubbed Catch Up Campaign, is targeting populations in vulnerable counties of Turkana, Lamu, Marsabit, Isiolo, Mandera, among others. Health Cabinet Secretary Dr. Cleopa Mailu said the ministry will use volunteers to conduct door-to-door mobilization and community education. Red Cross, UNICEF and AMREF are among key partners in the project.
As a ministry, with our partners, especially UNICEF, and discussing what we need to do, we reached out to Kenya Red Cross Society as our partner to be able to have catch-up campaigns.
In Isiolo, one bandit has been killed and a rifle and 10 heads of cattle stolen recovered at Westgate Conservancy. The bandit is said to have crossed from the neighboring Samburu County. Isiolo County Commissioner George Natembeya lauded Conservancy Rangers for their effort in tracking the bandit and recovering the stolen animals.
Sisi tuko tayari sasa wakati huu kwa sababu tumesema kwamba tutakubali mambo ya watu kuja kubenefit kwa jasho na watu wengine.
Elsewhere, a cultural festival has been held in West Pokot to celebrate their culture and debunk the perception that the community is violent. During the event, Kenyans were urged to stop stereotyping the Pokot community and focus on the positive qualities and their rich culture.
The Kenyans should appreciate West Pokot, the kind of attitude that people have, that West Pokot is a wild community, is a wild county, is insecurity, and those things are not there. It is just that people have imaginations. But here where we are, there is a lot of peace. There is a lot of peace here. Then there is no insecurity at Chester. And we have been here for 4 years and we have not seen any insecurity.
Meanwhile, the Central Organization of Trade Union Secretary General Francis Atwoli has called on tea workers to down their tools. Addressing hundreds of tea workers at Moi Gardens in Kericho, Atwoli said that the employers have been trying to frustrate talks by going to court and have failed to implement 30% pay increment awarded to the workers by the court.
2014-2015 imekwisha, tumeingia 2016-2017. CBA ingine. 4 years mkingojea nyongeza. 4 years!
And finally, 100 million shillings is needed for the rehabilitation of Ngong Forest ecosystem. The chairperson of Ngong Forest Community Association, Simon Woods, said there is an urgent need to protect the forest, which serves as a water catchment tower for Nairobi, as well as leisure zones for city residents.
I believe that we do have corporates who are interested in sponsoring us under their corporate responsibility plans. And if we can fence this section 4, which is the biggest section, we know that we can actually generate funds, as Karura do, from entry fees and recreational activities that actually go on.
Caroline Kamar reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.